Welcome, today in front of me SONY Xperia XZ2, and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So we got two ways, I'll show you both. On the first one, you just should go into the settings application and then tap on the device connections. Here tap to the network connection preferences, and scroll down to the NFC section. Here we get the switcher. Just to turn on the NFC on our device, tap once here on the switcher, and that's it. By this way you can enable the NFC on your SONY Xperia, and if you want, just turn it off, tap here again on the switcher, and that's it. And also we got the second way how we can do that. You just should open the notification panel, and here in the notification panel you should find the NFC icon. But if you have no here the NFC icon, like in my case, you just should go here to the edit icon, tap there, and just add the NFC icon to our notification panel. Just should hold for a while this icon and drag it here to this up section with our visible notification panel icons. And now just go back and you'll see here that we got this NFC icon on our notification panel. And just to enable the NFC, tap here once on the switcher, and that's it. As can you see, that's really simple. And just if you want to turn it off, just tap here again on this icon, and by this way you can just turn on or turn off your NFC on your device. So thank you guys for watching. That's it. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.